For decades, the power of professional design remained largely out of reach. It was an exclusive club, guarded by complex software, steep learning curves, and often expensive experts. Millions of individuals and small businesses dreamt of creating stunning visuals for their presentations, their social media, their flyers, but were met with frustration, intimidation, and the daunting reality of a blank page in an unfamiliar program. The gap between a creative vision and its execution felt insurmountable for the everyday person. But what if that barrier could be shattered? What if the ability to design something truly impactful no longer required years of training or a hefty budget? This is the story of a company that dared to challenge the status quo, transforming a niche skill into a universal language, empowering a global community to bring their ideas to life with unprecedented ease. This is the story of Canva. Canva officially began its journey in 2013, originating from Sydney, Australia. It was founded by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Obrecht, and Cameron Adams, a trio driven by a shared vision to simplify the design process. Melanie Perkins, who had previously run an online yearbook design business called Fusion Books, recognized a profound need for more accessible design tools. Frustrated by the cumbersome and complex software available at the time, she envisioned a future where anyone, regardless of their technical skill or financial resources, could create professional quality graphics. Canva quickly positioned itself as a revolutionary player in the creative software industry, aiming to democratize design and empower millions worldwide. The genesis of Canva traces back to Melanie Perkins' early entrepreneurial endeavor, Fusion Books, which she started with Cliff Obrecht in 2007. While working with students to design yearbooks, she witnessed firsthand the universal struggle with traditional design software. This experience solidified her conviction that design needed to be simpler, more collaborative, and entirely web-based. The initial concept for Canva, however, faced significant skepticism and numerous rejections from investors in Silicon Valley. For 3 years, Perkins and Obrecht persisted, refining their pitch and assembling a core team. Cameron Adams, a former Google employee with expertise in web development, joined them, bringing the critical technical prowess needed to build the platform. A pivotal moment arrived when they secured early investment from prominent figures like Lars Rasmussen, co-founder of Google Maps, and venture capitalist Bill Tai, who became instrumental in connecting them with other investors and advisors. In August 2013, Canva officially launched. It started with a lean team and a strong focus on its core offering, an intuitive drag-and-drop design tool featuring a vast library of templates and stock elements. The immediate appeal of its freemium model, coupled with its ease of use, led to rapid organic growth. Within its first year, Canva accumulated over 1 million users. Key milestones continued to unfold. 2014, launch of Canva for Work, later rebranded to Canva Pro, offering advanced features for businesses and teams. 2015, introduction of the Canva Design School, providing free tutorials and resources to further empower users. 2016, expansion into print services, allowing users to print their designs directly through Canva. 2018, achieved a valuation of over $1 billion, officially becoming a unicorn company. 2019, made strategic acquisitions of popular free stock photography sites, Pexels and Pixabay, significantly expanding its content library. 2020 to 2021. experienced explosive growth during the global pandemic as remote work and digital communication amplified the need for accessible online design tools, expanded into video editing, presentations, and website design. 2023 acquired the Affinity suite of professional creative software, signaling a move into more advanced, dedicated design applications while retaining its core accessible offerings. Throughout this timeline, Canva consistently focused on expanding its content library, enhancing user experience, and broadening its platform's capabilities to meet an ever-widening range of design needs. Canva's meteoric rise is not merely a product of good timing. It is a meticulously executed strategy born from a profound understanding of market dynamics, customer psychology, and competitive landscapes. Market environment before Canva. The design software market was largely dominated by Adobe, offering powerful but complex tools like Photoshop and Illustrator, which required significant investment in both time and money. While these tools were indispensable for professional designers, they created a massive barrier for the vast majority of individuals and small businesses who simply needed to create attractive graphics quickly and affordably. There was a significant underserved market segment craving simplicity, accessibility, and professional results without the steep learning curve. Customer psychology. Canva tapped into several core psychological needs. Users desired self-sufficiency and creative expression, but often lacked the technical skills or confidence to achieve it. The fear of complex software, coupled with the pressure to produce professional-looking content in an increasingly visual digital world, created a significant pain point. Canva alleviated this by promising ease of use, instant gratification through templates, and a sense of accomplishment, transforming frustrating experiences into empowering ones. It offered a shortcut to looking good, which is a powerful motivator for both individuals and brand builders. Competition. Canva faced a bifurcated competitive landscape. On one end were the professional-grade tools like Adobe Creative Suite, which Canva intentionally did not try to directly replicate, but rather offer an alternative to. On the other end were simpler, often less robust online editors or desktop publishing tools like Microsoft Publisher. Canva carved out its niche by offering a superior user experience, a richer content library, and a more intuitive interface than its simpler competitors, while being vastly more accessible and affordable than the professional giants. Its web-based nature and collaborative features also provided a distinct advantage. Marketing tactics. Canva's marketing strategy was largely built on a highly effective freemium model and viral growth. First, freemium model, offering a robust free tier, allowed millions to experience the platform's value firsthand, significantly lowering the barrier to entry. This cultivated a massive user base, many of whom would eventually upgrade to Canva Pro for advanced features, more assets, and team collaboration. Second, word of mouth. The sheer ease of use and immediate visual results naturally encouraged users to recommend Canva to others. Seeing a friend or colleague create stunning designs with ease often led to inquiries about the tool used. Third, content marketing and education. The Canva Design School and extensive blog content provided free tutorials, design tips, and inspiration, positioning Canva not just as a tool, but as a partner in users' creative journeys. Fourth, community building. Engaging with its user base on social media and showcasing user-generated content fostered a sense of community and reinforced the idea that anyone could be a designer. Fifth, strategic partnerships. Collaborations with various platforms and content providers expanded its reach and integrated Canva into existing workflows. Strategy breakdown. At its core, Canva's strategy revolved around democratizing design through simplification and accessibility. Intuitive user interface, UI. The drag-and-drop functionality, coupled with a clean and logical layout, made the platform immediately usable for novices. Template-centric approach. A massive and ever-growing library of professionally designed templates for virtually every conceivable use case eliminated the dreaded blank canvas syndrome, providing a strong starting point and guiding users to effective designs. Vast asset library. Integrations with stock photos, illustrations, fonts, and elements meant users rarely needed to leave the platform to find what they needed, streamlining the creative process. Web-based and collaborative. Being entirely cloud-based ensured accessibility from any device with an internet connection and facilitated seamless team collaboration, a crucial feature for modern workplaces. Ecosystem expansion. Canva consistently expanded its product offerings from static graphics to video, presentations, websites, and print services, aiming to become the go-to solution for all visual communication needs. This sticky ecosystem made it harder for users to leave once integrated. Pivotal decisions. Several decisions proved pivotal to Canva's success. 1. Committing to a web-based platform. This was a radical idea in an era dominated by desktop software, but it ensured universal accessibility and simplified updates. Second, launching with a robust freemium model. This was crucial for rapid user acquisition and viral growth, building a funnel for its pro subscriptions. Third, prioritizing templates and ease of use. Instead of mimicking professional tools, Canva doubled down on simplicity, focusing on solving the common user's pain point directly. Fourth, early investment in growth and internationalization. Recognizing global demand early allowed Canva to scale rapidly across different markets and languages. Fifth, strategic content acquisitions. Purchasing Pexels and Pixabay significantly bolstered its content library, enhancing the value proposition for all users, particularly free ones. Sixth, diversifying product offerings. Expanding beyond static images into video, presentations, and websites, and even acquiring professional desktop software, solidified Canva's position as a comprehensive visual communication platform, catering to a broader spectrum of user needs. Canva's journey has undeniably been one of phenomenal success and transformative impact. From its humble beginnings in Australia, it has evolved into a global design powerhouse, boasting hundreds of millions of users across 190 countries. The company has achieved a multi-billion-dollar valuation, reflecting its significant market share and sustained growth. Canva has profoundly altered the creative industry landscape, democratizing design in a way few could have imagined. Its brand is now synonymous with accessible creativity, empowering everyone from small business owners and students to marketers and educators. It has fostered a new generation of visually literate communicators, enabling individuals and organizations to present their ideas professionally without the traditional barriers of expertise or cost. Canva didn't just build a tool. It built a movement that transformed complex design into an everyday possibility for the masses. Canva's remarkable trajectory offers several profound lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs and established businesses alike. Firstly, user-centric design, and solving a clear pain point are paramount. Melanie Perkins's initial frustration with existing tools led to an unparalleled understanding of what users truly needed: simplicity, speed, and professional output without the learning curve. Canva didn't just offer an alternative, it offered a fundamentally better way for its target audience. Secondly, the power of the freemium model cannot be overstated. By offering a rich, functional free tier, Canva cultivated a massive user base, building trust and familiarity. This allowed users to experience the immense value proposition firsthand before committing to a paid subscription, effectively converting casual browsers into loyal customers. Thirdly, simplicity wins in complex markets. While professional tools cater to experts, there is an immense market of users who prioritize ease of use and quick results over granular control. Canva's focus on intuitive design, drag-and-drop functionality, and template-driven creation removed significant barriers, making it the preferred choice for millions. Fourthly, ecosystem building and continuous innovation are crucial for long-term relevance. Canva did not rest on its laurels as a simple graphic design tool. It consistently expanded its offerings into video, presentations, print, and AI-driven features, creating a comprehensive visual communication platform. This strategy not only attracted new users, but also increased user retention by making the platform indispensable for a wider array of tasks. Finally, the story of Canva underscores the importance of persistence and an unwavering vision. The founders faced numerous rejections and challenges in their early stages, yet their belief in democratizing design never wavered. Their journey serves as a powerful reminder that groundbreaking ideas often require significant tenacity to bring to fruition. What worked was their relentless focus on the user and their pain points. What could have been perceived as a failure was the initial struggle to convince traditional investors of the potential of such a radical approach, which ultimately required them to innovate in fundraising and team building. From a simple idea born out of personal frustration, Canva has grown into a global phenomenon, fundamentally reshaping how the world creates and communicates visually. Its journey is a testament to the power of identifying an unmet need and courageously building a solution that challenges established norms. Canva proved that complex tasks can be made accessible, that creativity belongs to everyone, and that with vision, persistence, and a deep understanding of human needs, even the most entrenched industries can be revolutionized. The story of Canva reminds us that true innovation often lies not in building something entirely new, but in making the extraordinary extraordinarily simple.